Let's have a look at what comes in our floral diamond painting kit. Of course, we start with our canvas, nice bright colours, nice clear printing on here, all of the letters and symbols easily identified, so I think it's going to be straightforward to put it together. And the colours, very vibrant. Love the design on this one. Then we have, according to our key here, 23 different colours which each match to the symbols or letters here on our key. And the colours, they come in individual Ziploc bags, which I like a lot because it makes it so much easier to pour them in and out and keep them easily identified, knowing that each one is going to seal again properly afterwards. And yes, lots of very nice bright colours with this kit. In fact, 23 in total. Here we are, spread them all out so you can get an idea of the kind of colours that come in this kit. Mine came with 2 toolkits, so we have our dotting tool, the tray, and of course our piece of wax. Looks like a fun kit to do. I'm very much looking forward to how bright and vibrant this one is.